Sensitivity is if you're sensitive to certain things or if you're allergic to certain things. Eye harmony for your eyes. Hormone harmony is for, hormonal balance in the body. Intestine hormone is for your large intestine and small intestine, as in if you have, diarrhea and constipation. Nerve harmony is for relaxation, or if you have any kind of nerve problems, like shivering in the body. Like some people have this shivering in the body, right? They hold the pen and they are shivering like that. That's a nerve problem. Flexibility, so that you have ease in movement. It doesn't mean that, a person who's got a knee pain will, it will help him immediately. There are other programs for people who have knee problem. It is for something, if you're not able to walk fast, or if you're not able to bend and things like that. Circulation is blood circulation. Potency is for your reproductive organs. Mature women is for people who have undergone menopause. For women is anybody from puberty till menopause, is programs that ladies can use. Bioenergetic Harmony 2 is for gastrointestinal, as in if you have any digestive problem, or if you have any gastric problem or acidity problem. Bacterial Harmony is to, all of us have good bacteria and bad bacteria in our body. This is for, supposing, you eat something, you go out and you eat something and, you think that, okay, last time when I ate this food, I had, loose motions or diarrhea. So, if you use this immediately on coming back, those, so-called or food that you eat, or you are very thirsty, you tend to drink water and you feel that, I think, the water that I drank is bad. So, I might get health problem, or I might get food poisoning. You can use the Bacterial Harmony program. Tonsil Harmony is for your throat, for your tonsils. Liver Harmony is for your liver. Food Imbalance is again a program that you can use if some people are very sensitive. They cannot eat, spicy food and things like that, or oily food. So Food Imbalance will take care of it. Impurities is, again, like, you eat fruits, vegetables, which have got pesticides in it. Head Harmony is to reduce your tension or migraines or headaches that you have. Prostate Harmony, like Gangadhar sir shared, that, you have any prostate problem, you can use it. Lung Harmony is if you have breathing problem. Thyroid gland is something for people who have hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. Joints and Bone Harmony is if you have joint pain, knee pain, any kind of bone pain. Sciatica Nerve Harmony Local is for people who have sciatica. People who have sciatica really have a pain. If they sit, they can't get up and they really, really suffer. So this is something which is like God sent for people who have sciatica. Then we have mental balance program. So mental balance program, everything is psychosomatic. We have feelings, thoughts, and mental characteristics because of which we have a certain traits, like as in, we are short-tempered, or some people can't even react, even if people misbehave with them, they cannot say anything. They can't say, stop it, I don't like what you're doing. So it is all caused, we are having a lot of mental imbalances because of which it works. This is something which works in those level where in physical level, in mental level, and spiritual level. Physical level, as in, we get health problems. Mental level, like how I just shared, short-tempered, or some people are extra cool, they don't react. Spiritual level, because, when we are going through anything, at the mental level, it affects our spirit, our spirit to fight, spirit to do things in life. So it has about 8 programs, which is inner strength, which is when you feel insecure or uncertain, like loss of confidence kind of a thing. Emotional well-being is, sometimes we tend to cry, we tend to become moody, we suddenly get angry. Feel good, like it says, when you feel down, you can do it. Contentment systemic and contentment acute is for you to have that kind of satisfaction. Inner unity is for you to feel whole and complete. well-being of the soul is for when you have to develop a new habit. Like, for example, you say that, I want to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but, every day you wake up at 7 or 8 o'clock. And when you want to develop a new habit of waking up